So over here you can see that I have a design, and let's say what I want is I want 20 of these designs but with different numbers over here on the left hand side. So if you want to go ahead and do that, then you can go around onto the file menu, and then you can go ahead over here onto let's say for example PrintMerge, and then click on create and load PrintMerge right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can click on add column, and then you can choose numeric right here because we want to generate numbers. So I'm just going to go around and type in num right here, and in the format I'm just going to go around and select out, let's say this right here. Once you do that, you can select the starting value, which is going to be 1 in my case, and I'm going to continuously increase it until 20. Once you do that and click on add, you can see that 0001 to 20 is here, as you can see right here. So these are the records. So if I were to go around and click on continue now you have the PrintMerge option. You can insert out the field right here. So there's the number. So you can go ahead and then resize this out right here. And let me just go ahead right here, just like this. And then I can go ahead and let's say, for example, pull this out right as well and style it around according to how I want. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select impact right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have right here. So now let me just go ahead and then rotate it out. Let's say, for example, 20 degrees right here as well. So you got a bit of rotation right here in a style as well. So now you can see that this is the placeholder for those 20 numbers, and then each design will have those 20 numbers if you were to actually now use this. So now this is what you have, and what you can simply do is click on create merge document. Once you do that, you can see that the merge document has been created in pages. So this is what you have. So page 2 has 2 number, 3, 4, 5, and you can see that all of the numbers right here has been added in just like this, as you can see right here in multiple pages. So as I were to actually go ahead and do that, you can see that there are different numbers right here, just like this. I can go ahead onto different sections, and these are the numbers that you have that is generated, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and then use PrintMerge to generate automatic numbers and add them in your designs inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.